This is a handy tool right here to keep around your house. This is made to clean lint out of dryer vents. But you clean these grills, and I mean, it'll get into small spots. And not just that, but your vacuum cleaner hoses, you can wash them out and use it in them as well. Cleaning them out. And I've got it stuck because I'm trying to do this with one hand. You can see it goes in and it'll come right back out. Like I said, this is easier to do with two hands. But it is a very handy tool. So I encourage everyone to get one of these, because if it's a grill, a hose, or your dryer that it's actually built for, that's nice to have. And they're only like $5-6 depending on where you go. So that's a handy tool to keep.